Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Women Over 50 Fitness. So in today's video, I thought I would share with you a very gentle evening body stretch. We're going to do some great stretches to really help calm down the nervous system and get us ready for a good night's sleep if you like. So first things first, what we're going to do first is we're just going to sit down, and if you can place your foot on top of your knee, that's great. If not, you can place them out in front of you. If you're sitting down in a chair, that's fine too. So first of all, let's just roll our shoulders backwards. Nice, gentle, round shouldered. Moving us along. And if you like, you can take a couple of deep belly breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth to really help calm down the nervous system. And then come forward. And 2 more times. And then I like to just finish with a couple going back, just so we're resetting the shoulders here. So now we're going to place one hand by the side of our knee here, place the other hand onto our knee and just very gently give a little stretch here. A very gentle twist. Again, making sure that your core is nice and engaged. So if you like, you can place your hand on your core and just gently breathe in for 3 and just hold that engagement. And then just very gently come out of it, and then to the other side. Hand very carefully and gently again onto the knee, and just come, and then just breathe outwards and then move to a gentle stretch. And just hold this position for a few moments. Gently breathing. And come back out. So now what we're going to do, we're going to place our legs out, come a bit further so you can see me here. I'm just gently going to come forward, and then with our hands roll back and then coming forward. Just going in a circular motion one way. Again, holding in that core. And one last time. And then the other way. Come all the way along. And one last time. And then bring the feet together. I'm now going to place one knee in front, behind the other here. Again, placing our hand onto our knee. And again, just another little gentle twist. This will also help with any digestive issues for the evening as well, by gently twisting, just gently massaging the colon if you like. And then the other way, placing our leg down, taking the other leg, placing it up towards the side of the knee, and then bringing our other hand to the side, so my left hand if you like to my right knee, and just gently come up and then just gently twist. You don't need to twist too far, and just hold that twist for a few moments. And come back out. So what we're going to do now, we're just going to take our ankles here and our feet and just go round in a circular motion. We always tend to forget about our feet. And then just the other way. Nice gentle stretch of the toes as well as the ankle. And then on the other leg, again, just really give us a nice massage all one way. And then the other. So now sitting down, We're going to place one hand by the side of us, taking our other hand, just gently stretching to the side. Nice gentle stretch to the oblique here. And just take a couple of deep belly breaths, in through the nose and out through the mouth. And then carefully coming back up, the other hand up, all the way to the other side. Coming back up. And now let's just take our hand, just gently, and we're just sitting here now, nice and relaxed. And now we're going to take our hand and place it onto our chin. Just very gently come down with the head. And then move to the side. And then come back down again. And then move to the other side. Very nice and gentle neck stretch. Remembering to hold the core in, so we've got that engagement of the core. Releasing any tensions of the day. And one last time. Come to the centre and then just very gently come back up. So now with our hands, we're just interlocking our fingers here and then just pressing away from us. And just gently press out the fingers a little bit. And then lift our arms up. A couple of deep belly breaths. And then coming down. And let's just very gently move the arms, coming up and then coming down. And then the other way. Really stretching out the shoulders as well. So now we're going to do a cat-cow pose, which is really great for the back as well. So we're just going to come down here and we're going to come down onto our knees and we're just going to place our hands down. You want to make sure that your palms, that your hands are nice and spread out, your fingers, so you've got lots of surface area on the floor. And then we're just placing our feet down and we're just going to gently tilt our bottom up and our head. And then literally come all the way up. Let's just do this a few times. This really does help with the back. Nice and gentle. And then just 2 more times. And then just come back to your starting position. Come back down and just stretch out the fingers. Really great baby pose. And just hold the stretch for a few moments. And then just gently come back up. And then sitting down, let's just take a couple of deep belly breaths, nice and gentle, in through the nose, out through the mouth, and just to calm everything down. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. This is a really nice, easy-going, gentle body stretch, if you like, full body stretch to really help calm everything down, the nervous system down, ready for the evening. Great for seniors as well as obviously women over 50. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing for more content. And also a thumbs up, it really helps with the algorithm. And comment down below, tell me where you're from. And I really look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, bye.